There is one compliment you have probably heard 100 times about your cooking, and it feels good, but it might be the exact reason you have not improved in years. So in this video, I want to show you why the feedback you love the most is quietly keeping you average, and how to know if you are stuck right now without even realizing it. Stay with me until the end, because the way out is probably not what you think. The compliment is, your food is good, and that is exactly the problem. Now, not because good is bad, but because good is the most comfortable place a cook can get stuck. And almost nobody who is stuck there even knows it. Let me explain, because once you see this, you cannot unsee it. Think about who actually tells you that your food is good. Your family, your friends, the people sitting at your table. And if you cook for money, the clients who keep booking your back. But here is the part you won't like it, guys. No one of these people are qualified to tell you how good you are, because they're not comparing your food to the level you want to reach. They compare it to the other food in their life. Some chain restaurant or what they could cook themselves at home, and next to that, sure, you're good, but you're only good compared to the very low bar. So the compliment is real. I'm not saying they are lying to you, but the benchmark is just wrong. And you have been measuring yourself with the wrong ruler for years now. And I get it, every compliment feels nice in the moment, but it quietly takes away the one thing you actually need to grow, which is the signal that something is missing. Think about it. Pain is the signal. When something is wrong with your dish and you can feel it, that feeling is exactly what pushes you to get better. And praise just switches the signal off. So the more everyone around you tells you that you're amazing, the less reason you have to ever change anything. They are not doing it on purpose, but they are keeping you exactly where you are. And this is the part most home cooks get completely wrong. They think, wow, it's just good, but more of it. So they cook more recipes, more hours in the kitchen, and they stay good. Why? Because good and wow are not the same line. They are two totally different things. Good is competent. You follow a process and the result is solid. Nothing is wrong with it. But wow is something completely different. Wow is intentional. Every single component on that plate is there for a reason. The texture, the balance, the way the whole thing looks before anyone even takes a bite. And you not get to wow by doing good harder. Believe me, I tried that many years ago. You get there by understanding things you cannot even see yet. And maybe you're thinking, okay, but I already cook professionally. This is not about me. Don't be so sure. Maybe you're a private chef with few happy clients. They rebook you. They recommend you to their friends. They seem impressed every time. Same trap. Because someone who hires private chef is not comparing you to the best food in the world. They are impressed by the whole experience, the convenience of it, the fact that someone is cooking for them in their own home. So those repeat booking feels like proof that you made it, but honestly they are not. It's the same low bar, just wearing a nicer shirt. So where does good actually leaves you in the end? In the worst possible spot. You are comfortable enough that you never push yourself, but you're not impressive enough to actually change anything. Not your reputation, not your business. If you cook for money, you get successful enough to feel fine and stuck enough to never really grow. I call this a dead zone. And the sad part is, most cooks spend their entire life in there without even realizing the door was open the whole time. And the way out is the simple to say, but hard to actually do. You have to stop collecting feedback from people besides you or below you and start getting it from someone above you. Someone who is not impressed by good. Someone who can look at your dish and tell you exactly what is holding you back from wow and why and how to fix it. The one thing is what moves you from one category to the other. And I know this works, because this is exactly how I learned myself. For over a decade, I kept putting myself in the kitchens where everyone around me was better than me. Every single day I was the worst cook in the room. And yeah, it hurts my ego a lot. But that was the whole point. That is the reason I got better in few years than most cooks get in their whole life. It was not a talent, believe me. I just refused to ever be the best one in the room, because the best one in the room is always the one who stops growing. Now you don't have to spend 10 years in the restaurants like I did to get this. You just need the same thing those kitchens gave me. Someone above you looking at your real food, telling you the truth about it. So how do you actually get it? There are a few ways. The first one is to find a chef who is better than you. Someone who is actually willing to look at your dishes and give you real feedback. And if you can find that, take it. But keep in mind, one session is never going to be enough. This only works if you repeat the feedback loop again and again, dish after dish. And that is exactly where it gets hard, because good chefs are busy. They are on the line every night. And most of them do not have the time or the patience to keep coaching you like that over and over again. But if you do have that person in your life, you're lucky. Use them. The second way is to find a proper cooking school or course somewhere near to you. That works too. You learn the fundamentals in structured way, but the downside is the traveling, the fixed schedule, and usually you sitting in the group, so the feedback is general. It's not only about your food. And basically the third way for the people who want to learn from home on their own schedule without going anywhere is online coaching, like the one I do. You cook in your own kitchen, you send me your dishes, and I tell you exactly what is working, what's not, and how to fix it. The same feedback those kitchens gave me, just point it at your food. So whatever path actually fits your life, pick one and commit to it. And if the last one sounds like you, go to my website and apply. We can connect and discuss how can I help you on your cooking journey. This is everything from me today, guys. And just remember this, the most dangerous words in your whole kitchen are the ones you most want to hear. Your food is good.